Some cordless vacuums have a habit of letting you down, with only enough runtime to do half a job. But not the award-winning Vax 1 Power Blade 4 range. High-performance cordless vacuums powered by the removable Vax 1 Power battery, giving you all the runtime you need to clean your whole home. The Vax Blade 4 range is powered by a brushless motor and VaxCore technology, so it's proven to clean carpets better than the UK's top 3 best-selling cordless vacuums. The range includes PET and dual battery options, so you can have a second, fully charged battery ready to go. And go for up to 90 minutes. Choose the best in range, and you'll also get a powerful motorised pet tool that easily shifts tough dirt and lifts stubborn pet hair, helping you tackle any job life throws at you, around your home and in your car. While every Blade 4 helps you reach those hard-to-clean places, on the sofa, up high and down low. So whether you need extra runtime or you're cleaning a busy home with pets, there's a Vax 1 Power Blade 4 that's made for you. When life gets messy, get Vax.
Hey everyone, we've kindly been sent a new cordless vacuum cleaner from Levoit, so let's unpack it and see what it's like. It's crazy the kind of things that you get excited about as you get older, but I feel like I've officially made it in life now that I own a cordless Hoover. It comes with a charging dock and 3 vacuum head accessories, and the runtime lasts up to 40 minutes. You can change the level of suction, and my favourite part about this Hoover is that it's got a really flexible design. So this is the stand that you can attach to the wall, and it slots into it like so, and then that's the charging port. You can take it out to charge it. Connor likes it that much that it's even had him hoovering, which is unheard of.
Okay, so today we have this cordless vacuum cleaner. The company did send me this for this review, but I'm still going to put it in this test and giving you my full and honest opinion. I'm going to be testing this on hardwood floor and on carpet as well, and also showing you how to assemble it. So when you go through and open this up, you can see, I like that right from the beginning, it just has like the easy instructions for cleaning this and assembling it. I'm going to go through the features that you can see here as well. When you open this up, you have the actual manual itself, and then you have all these different parts for the vacuum. This thing is super easy to install. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's get everything out of the box and I'll show you where to go from here. So inside the actual packaging, you have, of course, the vacuum itself. It's very clean design here with a nice interface, and I'll show you how it works. The great thing about this is you can get all the different attachments here, and I'll show you. And this is cordless, so you do have the battery here. You can see it's a very small battery, which is awesome. And it also comes with a little charging kit. You go through and charge it, you just plug it in right there. When you put this in, all you need to do is grab this and slide it in just like this. You'll hear a click. Then you now have power, so you go through and turn this thing on by clicking this button right here. So this trigger turns on the actual vacuum. You hear it on. And then there's 3 different levels of suction on this thing. So I'll go through and show you how to do that a little bit later. But I just wanted to show you that real quick. The other thing that you have as part of this vacuum is you have, of course, the wand extender, and this just goes in by clicking this right here, and you can snap it. And the nice thing about this as well, you can go through and extend it, which is great. And then you have the actual vacuum head here, like the main vacuum head, where you go through and pop that in just like that as well. And in order to take any of these out, all you need to do is press on these nice orange buttons here, and it pops out super easily, just like that. Now, one of the best things about these kinds of vacuums is it does also come with a couple of different heads. So you have the smaller head on here as well, that you go through and add on. You clip in just like that. But with all of these heads, and then you also have this one right here, which is great for like cleaning carpet or cleaning like stairs or your counter, things like that. And you can see this one has this little function that allows you to swipe this up and down for even more of a grip. And the best part about this kind of vacuum is that you don't have to use the wand extender. You can see if I wanted to just carry the vacuum itself around, you can unclip that with any of these heads, even this one right here, just clip in right there. So if you want like a mini vacuum, you can go through and do that. But more commonly, how I like to use these is for something like this, to go and clean off my couch when my kid makes a big old mess on something. This thing has a lot of suction, and that's basically how it works. Oh, another thing that it does come with is you do have a mounting bracket to go and mount this somewhere to keep it in a nice clean place, whether in your pantry or in a closet. You can mount it and it will sit on there just like this, which is great. And it does also come with an extra filter pad. If you're wondering how to change the filter pad, that's very easy as well. Right here on this side, there's a little button that releases the cartridge right here. And then right on top of here, they made this really easy. All you do is pull this and you can change out the filter. They have an extra one right here. There's also another pad, an extra pad. It goes on the top right here and change out as well. Super easy process. Okay, so now we know a little bit about how to assemble this thing, but let's actually go through and give it a test. On carpet, we're going to test it on carpet first, then we'll do hardwood, and then we'll test out the couch as well. So to get this thing started, I'm just going to click this trigger right here. It's going to turn on. You can see right out of the box, it was at about 50% charge, so it has a good charge here. You can hear it's pretty quiet here, but if you go through and click this, you can get even more power. So there's 3 different power levels basically. So 1, 2, 3. So let's go through and see how this thing does. You can see I crashed up some goldfish. Let's see how this thing cleans up on the carpet. Extremely well. I'm actually really impressed with how well it just got rid of all of those crushed up goldfish there on the cracker. So I would say it definitely passed on the carpet. Let's go try it on the hardwood floor. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this now. The same thing on the hardwood floor. I'm on here. And once again, this thing is really powerful. It's cleaning up very easily all those tracks. You can see it got rid of everything. Just as promised. So you can see how there's all the stuff inside there. Okay, now for testing this on the couch, you can see I went through and changed out the extension here, and I have kind of just the vacuum itself on this. Let's actually go through and give this a try. I did move this thing up here, so I'm going to go ahead. You can see I have to brush it up this way. If you needed to, you can go through and adjust this so it's down as well. But I think it's going to be more effective with the brush here because it's actually on the like about all the different heads. It really makes this job for you. Okay, so that's another pass. Okay, the last thing we're going to test here is this head attachment. This is great for places like in between the couch. I didn't even have to plant crumbs in here. You can see this is actually real stuff, a bunch of stuff in there. So we're going to go through and clean out all this gunk here. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. And this might not be the best angle to see things, but okay, it's definitely getting rid of everything inside of here, though I don't know if you can see that, but I'll show you an after picture of what this looks like and all the crumbs it's picking up and the easy job it's doing here. Okay, you can see in between these cushions, it looks so much better. It did such a good job inside of here, so I really like this attachment as well. And when you're done emptying this thing out, it's super easy. I can do it with one hand here. You see, you just press this button, and this lever gets released, and you can shake everything out super easily, which is always convenient as well. So overall, I am very happy with this vacuum. I really like the touchscreen here that it has when you turn it on. You can go through and see the power levels and the different adjustments on here. I think the way that you can attach the heads is super functional, and the most important thing is you saw it. It gets the job done whether you're on carpet, on hardwood, or on your couch or different surfaces. It can definitely go through and clean things very quickly, which is something I appreciate. And I don't have to worry about a cord, which is probably the best part as well. So many good things. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna